Artificial intelligence technology leader Nvidia, also known as Nvidia, late Wednesday beat Wall Street's targets for its fiscal first quarter and guided higher than views for the current period. It also announced a 10-for-1 stock split. Nvidia stock rose in extended trading. The Santa Clara, California-based chipmaker earned an adjusted $6.12 a share on sales of $26 billion in the quarter ended April 28. Analysts polled by FactSet had expected earnings of $5.60 a share on sales of $24.59 billion. On a year-over-year basis, Nvidia earnings rocketed 461%, while sales blasted 262% higher. Nvidia's fiscal Q1 results marked its fourth straight quarter of triple-digit percentage growth in sales and earnings. Nvidia said its 10-for-1 stock split will be effective on June 7. The company also raised its quarterly cash dividend by 150% to a penny a share on a post-split basis. On a pre-split basis, Nvidia's dividend increased from 4 cents a share to 10 cents. Nvidia stock. Next wave of growth ahead. Strong demand for Nvidia's Hopper series processors for generative AI training and inference fueled the company's data center growth in the first quarter, Huang said. "We are poised for our next wave of growth," Huang said. The Blackwell platform is in full production and forms the foundation for trillion-parameter scale generative AI. Spectrum-X opens a brand new market for us to bring large-scale AI to Ethernet-only data centers. And Nvidia NIM is our new software offering that delivers enterprise-grade, optimized generative AI to run on CUDA everywhere, from the cloud to on-prem data centers and RTX AI PCs, through our expansive network of ecosystem partners. Blackwell revenue accelerated. Nvidia moved up the timeline for realizing Blackwell series revenue. The company expects production shipments of Blackwell products in the current quarter and ramping in the third quarter, Huang said. And data centers using Blackwell processors will be up and running in the fourth quarter, he said. "We will see a lot of Blackwell revenue this year," Huang said on the conference call. Investor concerns heading into Nvidia's report included the impact of U.S. trade restrictions with China and the company's ability to source enough components from its contract manufacturers to meet demand. Analysts also are worried about a potential air pocket in sales of current Hopper series graphics processing units when Blackwell series GPUs become available later this year. The major cloud service providers have been spending heavily on Nvidia GPUs to ramp up their capacity for generative artificial intelligence applications. On the conference call, an analyst asked what Nvidia is doing to fulfill its growing backlog of orders. Huang stressed that the demand is strong in what he described as a major platform shift. "We're racing every single day. Customers are putting a lot of pressure on us to deliver," he said. Another analyst asked what Nvidia is planning to offer after its current Blackwell processors. Huang said, "Well, I can announce that after Blackwell there's another chip, and we are on a one-year rhythm. You can also count on us having new networking technology on a very fast rhythm." Nvidia's recent earnings report and forward-looking guidance have given a modest lift to several other players in the AI space. Notably, AI chip makers like Broadcom, Advanced Micro Devices, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, and Astera Labs saw their stocks rise between 1% and 3% in late trading. Additionally, ServiceNow saw a slight increase, while the Dow giant Microsoft edged higher. Companies like Vertiv and Powell Industries also advanced following the report. To say Nvidia's fiscal first quarter report is being closely watched would indeed be an understatement. When Nvidia holds its conference call, you will be able to hear a pin drop on trading floors across Wall Street when Jensen Huang gets the microphone, observed Wedbush Securities analyst Daniel Ives in a client note titled, "Get the popcorn out." He added enthusiastically, "The AI revolution starts with Nvidia, and in our view, the AI party is just getting started with the popcorn getting ready." Nvidia's soaring stock price has now given it a significant weight in key stock market indexes and exchange-traded funds. As of Monday, Nvidia accounted for 5.3% of the S&P 500, 6.5% of the Nasdaq 100, and a staggering 20.6% of the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, according to Mizuho Securities. Last year, Nvidia stock rocketed 239% to 495.22. Year-to-date through Wednesday's close, Nvidia stock is up 92%. Nvidia stock is featured on 5 IBD stock lists, including Leaderboard, IBD 50, Big Cap 20, Sector Leaders, and Tech Leaders. Moreover, Nvidia stock is one of the so-called Magnificent 7 stocks that had a huge run last year. Nvidia stock closed Wednesday in the buy range of a 922.20 cup with handle buy point.